I'm not seeing her face. I'm not seeing an eye. I'm not seeing a nose. Okay? If I do that, if I say, oh, I'm doing an eye, I've been talking that I'm doing an eye and doing a nose, but I am not looking at it that way. I am always looking at this as abstract. It's just an arrangement of abstract shapes that come together to give me a face. So what I try to do is see creatures and cartoon characters and animals, and I make a game of it. I'll give you an example. Her upper lip looks like a stingray. Or, can you see the stingray? Right? So there it is, from corner to corner, and there's the front of the stingray. You can see it swimming in the ocean. Right?